Alright guys, welcome back to another Broke Boy Builds video. So in this video we're going to be showing you how to fix the saggy headliner on an old car for $7 off of Amazon. So this is a 2005 Audi. This is a 19-year-old car and the seal went bad on the antenna cover, and so when it rains here in California it kind of drips down and it kind of made this sag down because it was weighted down with the water and it's glued up here, so it kind of ruined the glue. So what we're gonna do here is you buy this kit off of Amazon. It's like a $7.99 kit. It comes with this, pins, and then it comes with these little beads, and they have a few different options, and we went with this one because it matches our headliner perfectly, pretty much. It's great. Some cars have black, some cars have tan, but basically what this does is you take a screw, it's a little screw, and then like a cap. So you're gonna wanna put it in like this. You screw this on, and then once it's already screwed in, you're gonna take this bead and you're just gonna clip it on. So it's gonna clip like this, and this is what it's gonna look like from the top. And basically what it's gonna do is just gonna put pressure on it so that it could hold it up. So right now we're gonna show you guys how to measure everything out perfectly symmetrical on both sides, and then we're gonna get to installing. Okay guys, so it's kind of hard to see in the car when it's filming up. There's like no room to film it, so I set this up how we plug them in. So we did, my headliner I think was 30 inches and it was sagging 30 inches. So we did 30 by 30. So we did 5 strings and we did every 5 inches. So we measured it out every 5 inches, so it's just proper squares. And then we pin these up right here so that they're all tight. It's all tight this way and that way, 5 inches. Make sure, because prep is the biggest thing on these types of projects. So you try to get it as straight as possible, and then you go through and you screw the pins in. The pins go in. It's just a screw. It's just a screw, a clip, and then you clip the poppers on. So we got a square pattern here, square pattern everywhere, square pattern, and we ended up using I think 25 or 27 pins.
Yeah, around there.
So we used half the kit. So if you're buying this kit for $7, you can do 2 cars with this pretty much, which is just an amazing deal. Because if you don't fix your headliner like this, you could do the other way, which is gluing your headliner, which is just a 10 times over paint. You gotta pull it out, buy the glue it, let it dry, and then put it back in. It's just such a big hassle. And this is just such a proper, easy fix. So we're gonna link this stuff, the pin set, in the description. It was like $7.99 for the whole set, and it comes with 60, so that's perfect for any car, even 2 cars. So they have a few different colors. We got gray because our headliner's gray, but they got tan, and then I think they got black. So it's just a really good kit, really convenient kit. So we're gonna link it in the description. So if you guys like this video, subscribe, leave a comment what you guys thought about it, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one.